Hi, I wanted to walk through BeachBody on Demand and show you some tips and tricks and the best ways to use this online program, especially when you are streaming from a browser. So when you go to beachbodyondemand.com, you will log in with your username and password, and this will be the home screen that you get to. When you get to this home screen, this is where you will see the library of all of the Beachbody workouts. And as you can see, when you scroll through here, this is an incredible library to be able to have access to at your fingertips. You can filter through the workout programs based on fitness level, the amount of time, what type of workout, or even what trainer you are. But I would highly recommend speaking with your coach to determine what workout program you're going to follow based on your current fitness levels and your goals. For this example, I am going to show you the 21-day fix, which is an incredible, great program. It's a great foundation program, and it's one I go back to very often. When you click on and select the program that you're going to follow, this will be the first screen that you get. This is where the list of all the workouts are. You can click on a title. It'll give you a little bit of an overview of what the workout is and whether equipment is required. And then, of course, there is the play button. But before you press play, when you're first getting started with your program, it's really important to go under the program materials. Under program materials, here's where you'll find a lot of the tools that will help you be successful. So one, there's the workout calendar. The workout calendar shows you what workout you do on what day. If you start on Monday, it doesn't really matter what day of the week, but the first workout that you do when you start this program is total body cardio fix. One of the things that we highly recommend is printing the calendar out. Have a copy of the calendar in your workout area, in a notebook, your planner, your journal, wherever it may be, but print the calendar out. And there's nothing more satisfying than putting an X across the day or marking the date that you did that exercise. I print these out, I keep notes, and I save them because I like to see all of the progress that I've made. So after you get the materials, there's also the Start Here guide. So whenever you're getting ready for a program, you want to look at the Start Here guide. It will talk you through what your portion control formula is. It's very similar throughout the programs. However, some of them change up different things as the time goes on. Some may add a fruit, remove a fruit, add a carb, remove a carb. So it's really important to take a look at the Start Here materials. You can see the food list, the recommended food list based on the containers or the portions. And they also have sheets where you can keep track of, the workout that you did and maybe the weights that you used for the specific moves throughout the program. So then you can see that the last time you did that program, maybe you used a 5 pound and this time you're ready to use 7 pounds, or, just you're able to keep track of those changes. Once you have your calendar printed out and you're all set to go, when you are ready for your workout, you have your shoes tied, you just log on to Beachbody On Demand and you hit play. And there you go. You have 30 minutes, 38 minutes, up to 60 minutes, or whatever the time length of the program that you're choosing. But all you have to do is press play and the video will automatically start playing. One of the other really neat programs that is available in the library that's not a workout program, but it's called Fixate. It is a cooking show that is by Autumn Calabrese and her brother, who is a chef. Autumn also has a great cookbook out called Fixate, with same name, and it has a number of really great family-friendly recipes. My family loves it, and I highly recommend checking it out. But the Fixate cooking show is awesome. It has a bunch of videos. So Autumn and her brother are walking through how to prepare the meals, and then there is a PDF of all of the different recipes that you see listed on here. And this PDF just keeps growing. I think over a year ago there was maybe 50 recipes, and that has practically doubled. So there's a lot of really great recipes, and I highly recommend the chicken mole. One last great resource that is available to you on Beachbody On Demand is the blog. So under the blog, if you're looking for a new Shakeology recipe or some other food recipes, or you just maybe have some questions, or you might get an email that has some great articles in it. This is a great place to go, just to, get some different information in. It's whether it's on fitness, nutrition, overall wellness, meditation. It covers all sorts of topics, and it's a really great resource for you. All of this is on your smart device as well. You have access to all of the workouts and the program materials, and I will cover that in another video. But please make sure you talk with your coach when you are deciding what program to start, or if you have any questions. A lot of us have done a lot of these, or we've dabbled in some of them, so we have some experience with the different ones. And especially if you have any injuries or any kind of constraints, just make sure that you speak with your coach.